It's your girl Renee, and I am in the kitchen getting my Father's Day dinner together. First, I want to wish everybody out there that is a father, I want you to wish you a happy, happy, happy Father's Day. So I am getting ready, getting my meat, getting my sides, all that together. So let me show you what Miss Renee is going to be throwing down on today. You can see I got my slab of ribs going down. I've got to just prep them and seasoning them, and check out what else I'm getting together. Chicken seasoned, ready to go out on that grill and get it all nice and crispy and tasty. And then I'm gonna kick it off with some sweet potatoes as one of my sides. So I gotta get them all peeled and get them all ready and tighten them up as well. Have a barbecue without some good old-fashioned macaroni and cheese. Check this out. I got my extra sharp cheddar. I'm gonna have me some mozzarella cheese up in there, loaded up with some butter. Your finger gonna be smacking and going good. Alright guys, I just want to show you what I'm prepping, and when I'm ready to throw this meat on the grill, your girl will come back and show you her grilling skills. Alright guys, get ready to hit this stuff, get it going, get it popping for Father's Day. I got my hot dogs, my hot links, and my chicken. We are rolling, baby. Look at that. Good looking chicken. Look at them hot dogs and them hot links. Ooh, your girl is kicking it out here. My ribs off the grill. Look how good they look. Real close up looking at the ribs. And I am putting them in my barbecue sauce. Ooh, child, my homemade barbecue sauce. Looking good. And you can't have it without, you got your hot links and your hot dogs. Some good eating. I hope you guys are prepping and getting ready for Father's Day. Because over here in Renee's Garden, we are getting it together to have a fabulous Father's Day. My hot links, my hot dogs, my chicken, all with my homemade barbecue sauce on it. And then I got my baked beans. So I got the steak, I got the bacon, got the onions, all that goodness. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Miss Renee is getting it together over here. Alright guys, next it'll be macaroni and cheese. Check out the mac and cheese. It is done, baby. Look how golden. Look at all that cheese on this mac and cheese. Alright. Now, I got a super surprise for you. Are you ready? Alright, let you check it out. As you can see in this pot is some homegrown green beans and some homegrown carrots that Miss Renee grew in her garden. Isn't that fabulous? That you can grow something that you can feed your family. So my husband is going to enjoy this little treat because he loves carrots and green beans. Alright, I hope everybody is having a fabulous, fabulous Father's Day. Alright, now I'm going to show you what my plate looks once I put it all together. Some corn on the cob going, steaming, looking good. And over in this pot, I got some sweet potatoes. Bubblicious goodness. Alright, let's get our plate put together. Guys, this is the finished product. I have my Father's Day dinner, and I want to wish each and every father out there a very, 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 very happy Father's Day. Enjoy your day, fathers. And Miss Renee is going to enjoy her meal. All right, guys, take care.